Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. We got a great show for you today. You know, as we go across changing our lifestyle of eating, you tend to look for new foods, and I found a food that works pretty well with what I use it for. I wish I could use it for more things. Maybe you guys have some ideas, but today I'm going to show you a product and I'm going to use it on a ground lamb garden burger. And I'm going to show you how to make that garden burger, as well as show you the product that goes on it that I'm talking about. Let's get into it. Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about Hughes sugar-free ketchup. And I can tell you a little bit about this. I like ketchup, and I wanted to find a substitute for regular ketchup because it had so many carbs. And I found this one right here, and as you can see, I've used it. It's pretty good, and I just wanted to kind of tell you a little bit about it. Just to give you some of the nutritional facts, 1 tablespoon is a serving size, and it is 5 calories. There is no fat and no cholesterol, 190 milligrams of sodium, and 1 carbohydrate in that. So only 1 carb for 1 tablespoon, not too bad, especially if you want to use it on topping of some kind of meat that you like. Some of the ingredients, just so you know, it's vine ripened tomato concentrate, distilled vinegar, modified cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, natural flavoring. Just so you know too, it is gluten-free, no artificial preservatives, and it's also no high fructose corn syrup. It's a 13-ounce bottle, and I picked this up at Walmart. I know you can buy it on Amazon as well. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and stick the link for Amazon for this ketchup below. If it's something you want to check out further or purchase, I'll have that below for you. Let's go ahead and make that ground lamb garden burger for you. Okay guys, we're gonna put this ground lamb garden burger together for you. Now, I cooked these for supper last night, so I have a leftover patty, and I put it in the microwave with the cheese and warmed it up, but I just cooked it on my Blackstone griddle, like 3 minutes each side. I will give you the recipe. I just used salt, pepper, some red onion in there, and some paprika. Now, spice it up how you like it, but that's how I made it today. We'll start off with some shredded lettuce here. I'll probably do about a cup worth here, just to kind of give it a bed for the patty to sit on. Next, we're going to go ahead and take this patty. As you can see, pretty much looks like a hamburger. It's just ground lamb. And go ahead and we're going to put that on there like that. Next, we are going to take some mayonnaise here. Just a tablespoon here. I like mayo on my burger. Spread that out like this. And that's just some mayonnaise with olive oil. Some red onions on top of here too, just to give it a little bit of crunch. There is red onions in the burger itself. Put those on there. Okay guys, we're gonna throw on some Grape Tomatoes too that I just cut in half. I just used 3, and that's about 1 carb. Gives you that garden burger flavor there. And next, I will put on the product we're reviewing today, the sugar-free ketchup, and we'll just put probably just do a tablespoon on there since I've got the mayonnaise on there. Perfect. Let's give this thing a try. Looks pretty good. Just so you guys know, the cheese on there is just a Colby Jack slice. Got some ketchup and lettuce in there. It's delicious. Tastes just like a garden burger, except it's a leaner meat. This stuff tastes good. It's definitely tastes like ketchup. To me, it's maybe a little bit sweeter tasting than regular ketchup, but it's really good, guys. You can't go wrong with this. I've tried a couple of his products and they're really good. But I'm gonna come back and give you my final thoughts on the ketchup and also the ground lamb garden burger. Okay, guys, wanted to give you my final thoughts on the G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup, 13-ounce bottle. Overall, I really like this. To me, I like it as well as the other ketchup that I've had. It's got a nice flavor, tends to be a little sweeter, I think, but for sugar-free, I thought it was pretty darn good and definitely will keep buying it. You know, I tried it today on a ground lamb burger. The burger was very good. It tasted just like a garden burger. I don't know if you've tried ground lamb before, but give it a try. I just wanted to see what it was like. It's got some calories in it, of course, but overall there's no carbs in that. And I'll give you the breakdown here in a little bit on that, what that meal was, and I'll give you the recipe below. But I picked this up at Walmart. It was $3.62 for the bottle. I will also put a link below to Amazon where you can look at it there as well, and there you can buy like 4 bottles, 3 bottles at a time, that type of thing. So not too bad. Now, some other things you can use this on, especially on a keto or low carb diet. Obviously you aren't eating potatoes, so you're not using it on French fries, but you know, maybe you have kids in the house that do eat fries. I mean, they could try this. This is a healthier alternative to regular ketchup, so since it is sugar free. I know we made meatloaf with this, and that was really good too. So it's, you know, it's a fairly small bottle, but I will say this, G. Hughes, he makes there's good sauces. I have a chicken one that I'm gonna probably review for you soon that we picked up that I really like. It's very comparable to Chick-fil-A, and I'll be doing that in a future video here too. But overall, I give this product a thumbs up. I'll give this product a 9. I will keep buying it for sure. It's pretty good. I may try the Heinz one sometime, but I really enjoy this, so I don't think you can go wrong with that. Like I said, I will give you the breakdown here of what that meal was, and I will give a recipe below too. Okay guys, just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of the ground lamb garden burger. It is 452 calories, that was 3 net carbs, 26 grams of protein, and 35 grams of fat. So not too bad there. There's 1 gram of carbs in the ketchup, and let's see, I think there's 1 in the cheese and 1 in the lettuce, giving you the 3 net carbs. So overall, very good though. It tasted really good. Ground lamb's it's pretty lean tasting. It's not fatty and gristly like hamburger is. So you might want to give that a try. That was I think it was Never Any brand, but it was really good. So hey, I appreciate you watching today. I'd appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up. And you might want to follow along as I go on my weight loss journey and get updates on that. I will bring you more great products to take a look at, see if it's something you might be interested in. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Take care. God bless. Bye.